So hello guys, you're viewing King Tech. So today we are going to unbox Iqoo Z3. You guys will see that this is a flagship phone, and you guys will see the box. This is very nice, and this has an black and yellow finish. So let's unbox it. So this is a box, Magic tool, and the manual. This is a charger wire. This is the back cover, you can see that, and this is very flexible. So, and next, this is the phone. Cyber blue color, and in every angle the color changes. That's very cool. And this is a very big charger. You can also see that this is 64-watt charger, and the phone supports 55 watts only. Now let's unbox the charger. So this is the wire, 55 watts for the charger wire, and this is USB type C. You can also see that this is the type C. And this is the fat charger. You can see that this has nice weight, and here only we connect the USB port, and this is the charger for Vivo flash charger for 66 watts. So this is a charger. So guys, let's unbox the phone now. So this is the phone, and this has a nice color, and this is the cover. Now let's check with the cover how it sees. It's very easy to fit, that's all. Now it sees very nice. It sees very nice, guys. You can see that. And this is the power button, and this is also the fingertips radar, volume up and down button, and here you can see the speaker, type C port, mic, and this 3.5mm jack, SIM eject tray, and this is the noise cancellation mic, and left side nothing is there on left side. So let's start the phone, how it sees. There is a vibration when we start, powered by Android. So this is the home screen. Now it's loading. So this phone has 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, and this is the home page of the phone, and you can just see that this has a nice, and this has 120 refresh rate, and this has fast charging. So guys, this display has HD quality, and you can just see that the quality of the phone, and this supports up to 4K HDR. You can just see that advanced 4K HDR 60 FPS, and this display is HD quality. So guys, this has 8GB RAM with 4GB extendable RAM, and the phone storage is 128GB, and the Android version is 12. This is the Android version 12. You can see that, and the processor card is Snapdragon 768G, the 5G processor of the top level. Okay, this is very nice, and the FunTouch OS is version 12. So guys, this is the expanded GB RAM, and 4GB expanded. You just know that 8 plus 4 is 12GB RAM. So this phone has 12GB and when you want to on the 4 GB expanded RAM, you can use it. If you don't want, you can off it. So guys, the battery of the phone has 4400 mAh. So guys, this is the ultra game mode. You can see that. So there is an esports mode. When you are playing a game, you can on the esports mode, you can play like an super ultimate player, and there is so much mode on the ultra game mode, and this is very nice when you are playing a game. So guys, you can also see that now the phone is on the camera mode, and this is the camera, 64 megapixel. The main camera, there are triple cameras. Now let's go to the camera, and now it's on the photo mode. So now it's on the ultra wide mode, normal mode, zoomed mode. Now let's keep to the normal mode, and let's go to the video. Now there you can set the frame rates up to 60, resolutions up to 4K. You can change the settings. If you want to take a movie, you can take it by this phone itself. And let's go to the portrait, and this is a night mode. In night mode also you can take in ultra wide mode, so that's very nice. In portrait mode, that's only normal, you can see the, and this is the more. In more mode you can see 44 megapixel. It will use the main camera. If you want to take any document, you can take with this, and slow motion, live photo, panorama, this is very useful to you. And now let's go to the selfie mode. You can also see that.
So did you like the phone? So like and subscribe as your King Tech is signing out.